प्रिय छात्रों, आज अपन एमएससी फाइनल के एक पेपर कंटिन्यू मैकेनिक्स के बारे में आपको थोड़े बार मैथमेटिकल प्रिलिमिनरीज के बारे में बताएंगे। इसमें पहले इंट्रोडक्शन में अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, इंडेक्स नोटेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। इंडेक्स नोटेशन ऑफ ए वेक्टर, लेट i is equal to 1 to 3 be rectangular Cartesian axis of coordinates having point O as origin. We take unit vectors e1, e2, e3 refer to the rectangular Cartesian axis. Let A be any vector situated at an arbitrary point P in space. In our figure, vector A is shown by PQ, which is diagonal or parallelepiped. Let A1, A2, A3 be the projections of A along y-axis. Now, from triangle PMR, PR is equal to PM plus MR. Projection of A along y2 axis is A2. And the unit vector is E2. Therefore, A2 E2 is the vector component along y2 axis, and PM is parallel to y2 axis. Then PM is equal to A2 E2. Similarly, MR is equal to A1 E1, and PR is equal to A2 E2 plus A1 E1. But then from triangle PQR, PQ is equal to A is equal to PR plus RQ. Then PQ stands for A. A is equal to A2 E2 plus A1 E1, A3 E3. Using 1 and RQ is equal to this. A is equal to A1 E1, A2 E2, A3 E3. Number equation 1. Equation 1.22 indicates that the vector can be characterized projection along y-axis and unit vectors alternatively. A vector can be characterized by its magnitude directions. So let A be the magnitude of vector A, and let direction of vector A max angles theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 with positive direction of y-axis. Then the direction cosines of the line PQ with respect to the y1, y2, y3 axis are A1 is equal to cos theta 1, A2 is equal to cos theta 2, A3 is equal to cos theta 3, where A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square is equal to 1. Let A1, A2, A3 be the Cartesian component of vector A. Now we change the origin to the point P without loss of generality. Then A1 is equal to A cos theta 1. It implies that A1 is equal to A1. Similarly, A2 is equal to capital A multiplied by A2. A3 is equal to capital A multiplied by A3. A1 square, A2 square plus A3 square is equal to A1 square plus A1 square into A1 square plus A2 square plus into A2 square plus A3 A square, A3 square. A square is common. A multiplied by A1 square, A2 square, A3 square, and then A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square is equal to A square. Then A is equal to root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. This gives magnitude of A. Also, direction of vector given by A1 is equal to cos theta 1. Cos theta 1 is equal to A1 upon A. A1 upon A1 under root of A1 square plus A2 square, A3 square. A2 is equal to cos theta 2. Similarly, A3 is equal to cos theta 3. This means that a vector can also be represented by the three Cartesian component A1, A2, A3 square, and the coordinate system which they referred. The Cartesian component A1, A2, A3 represented by the symbol AI. I is equal to 1, 2, 3, where the subscript I understood to take on the values 1, 2, 3 in that order direction. Therefore, the symbol AI represents the set of three Cartesian component A1, A2, A3 in the same order. In index notation, AI is the symbol to designate the vector A in ordinary three-dimensional space. Transposition law of a vector. there are given one y1, y2, y3 dash and y1, y2, y3. Both sets of axes may be translated without rotation to comments origin at P. Let AI be the component of AI in unprimed y axis and AI dash be the primed component in primed y dash axis. Now we introduce the direction cosines between the two set of axes as follows: A11, A12, A13 is equal to direction cosines of y1 dash axis with respect to the y1, y2, y3 axis. Similarly, A21, A22, A23 the direction cosines of the y2 dash axis with respect to the y1, y2, y3 axis. A31, A32, A33 direction cosines of y3 dash axis with respect to the y1, y2, y3 axis. It is more convenient to summarize this set of direction cosines in tabular form. It is given to you. In the table, the first subscript indicates a prime axis and the second subscript indicates the unprimed axis. From the analytic geometry and vector analysis, we know that the projection of the vector A on the y axis is equal to the sum of the projections of AI component on the same axis y dash axis. A1 dash is equal to A11 multiplied by capital A1 plus A12 multiplied by A2 capital A2 plus A13 multiplied by A3 A1j equal to A1j AG. A2 dash similarly A3 dash. These equations can be written as AI dash is equal to AI1 chota or multiplied by A1 plus AI2 multiplied by A2 plus AI3 multiplied by A3. It can be in index notation equation. This can be expressed as AI dash is equal to AIJ AG, where AIJ implies A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is called the transformation matrix. Interchanging the role of primed and unprimed axis, we have AI is equal to AGI or AG dash. Addition and subtraction of vectors and Cartesian tensors. The addition and subtraction of two Cartesian tensors of the same order is defined in index notation as follows: Aij dot 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 plus minus Bij dot dot is equal to Cij dot dot equals Aij, Bij are two Cartesian tensors of the same order. Cij is equal to Cartesian tensors that result from the addition or subtraction and is of the same order as Aij and Pij. Equation 1.41 implies that the addition or subtraction is for each pair of corresponding elements of the Cartesian tensors Aij and Bij. Vector or cross product of two vectors. The vectors or cross product of the two vectors A and B is denoted by A cross B is equal to the vector C, which is normal to both A and B, such that A, B and C form a right-handed system. C is equal to A cross B is equal to AB sin theta any units. It is given to your book. C is equal to A cross B and in determinant form E1 A2 E3 A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. C is equal to C1 A1 plus C2 A2 plus C3 E3. E1 is equal to E1 multiplied by A2 B3 minus B2 A3 plus E2 A3 B1 minus A1 B3 plus E3 A1 B2 minus A2 B1, where C1 is equal to A2 B3 minus A3 B2. C2 is equal to A3 B1 minus A1 B3. C3 is equal to A1 B2 minus A2 B1. In order to express equation 1.4.2 in index notation, we introduce a permutation symbol epsilon ijk as follows. Epsilon ijk is equal to 1 if the values of ijk form even permutation. Epsilon ijk is equal to epsilon jki is equal to epsilon ki is equal to 1. Epsilon ijk is equal to minus 1 if the values ijk form odd permutation of 1 to 3. Epsilon ikj, epsilon kji is equal to epsilon jik is equal to minus 1. And epsilon ijk is equal to 0 if the values of ijk do not form permutation of 1 to 3. Epsilon 1 2 3, epsilon 2 3 1, epsilon 3 1 2 is equal to 1. Epsilon 1 3 2 is equal to epsilon 2 1 3 is equal to epsilon 3 2 1 is equal to minus 1. Epsilon 1 1 2 is equal to epsilon 1 2 2 is equal to epsilon 1 3 3 is equal to 0. Then equation 1 can be expressed as C1 is equal to epsilon 1 jk ajbk. C2 is equal to epsilon 3 jk ajbk. Therefore, we have Ci is equal to epsilon ijk ajbk. Scalar or dot product of two vectors. Scalar product of two vectors A and B denoted by A dot B and defined as A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, where A is the angle between two vectors A and B. A dot B is equal to A1 E1 plus A2 E2 plus A3 E3 dot B1 E1 plus B2 E2 plus B3 E3 is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 is equal plus A3 B3. Using the index notation, A dot B is equal to AI BI. To find the orthogonal component of vector AI in a given direction, it is necessary to take the scalar product of the vector AI with the unit vector Ni in the given direction. Thus, the orthogonal component of AI in the direction of Ni is R AI multiplied by Ni. The epsilon delta identity. In manipulating certain indicial expression, epsilon delta identity is very useful and is given as epsilon ijk, epsilon irs is equal to epsilon jki multiplied by epsilon irs is equal to delta gr multiplied by delta ks minus delta js multiplied by delta kr. This identity can be easily verified by making use of the definitions of the permutation symbol and Kronecker delta. Gradient of scalar function of position. Gradient of phi is equal to del phi is equal to E1 delta phi by delta y1 plus E2 delta phi by delta y2 plus E3 delta phi by multiplied by delta y3. The gradient of scalar function of position phi y1 y2 y3 in the region can be expressed as this. Phi is equal to phi y1 y2 y3. Scalar function is a scalar function of position which is single valued and continuous with continuous derivative. Del gradient is equal to E1 del upon del y1 plus E2 del upon del y2 plus E3 del upon del y3 is known as del operator. In index notation, grade phi is equal to del phi is equal to del phi upon delta yi is equal to phi comma I. Here the subscript denote the partial differentiation with respect to yi. The divergence of a vector function in region R is given by divergence of A is equal to del dot A is equal to delta A1 upon Y1 plus delta A2 upon Y2 plus delta A3 upon Y3, where A is equal to A Y1 Y2 Y3 is a vector function of position is single valued and continuous with continuous derivative in R. In index notation, divergence of the vector function of position A is given by divergence of A is equal to del AI upon delta del yi is equal to I comma I. Curl of a vector function of position. Curl of A is equal to del cross A is equal to determinant E1 E2 E3 del upon del y1 del upon del y2 del upon y del y3 A1 A2 A3 is equal to खोल लिया इसको determinant को E1 A32 minus A23 plus E2 multiplied by A1 3 minus A31 plus E3 A21 minus A12. Let curl of A is equal to C is equal to C1 E1 C2 E2 C3 A3. C1 is equal to A3 comma 2 minus A2 comma 3 is equal to epsilon 1 jk A k comma g. C2 is equal to epsilon 2 jk ak comma j. C3 is equal to epsilon 3 jk ak comma j. C1 is equal Ci is equal to epsilon I jk ak comma j. Curl of A is equal to del cross A is equal to epsilon I jk ak comma j. Thank you, all of you. Then next we will discuss about the line integral and the Stokes theorem tomorrow.